Okay, I'm back with the two bows. Um, all right, I'm back with the two bows. I'm gonna go ahead and distribute. I'm getting everything I need out of here. I need okay. That's everything I need in there. This is our base. This is our batch. I don't need this no more. I got the two I need. All I need. So my mixing has to be well over here because I only have a little bit of space for mixing. But I am mixing it too, like not too far. Everything is just not with me today. And it's okay. It's okay. Okay. That's how I tell myself it's okay. All right. Doing this for one hand is not easy. Doing this with one hand is not easy. Okay. All right. Bring it back to where we at. Get my piping bag ready. And if y'all know any good body based creams, let me know. Cause I don't think this one is applying with like oil type things, and open back up. All right. We're just gonna so normally how this works, you gotta time everything right. So like, is this gonna make enough batches? And see, I can't fill them up too high. So hopefully I won't need to borrow too much from the other container. This will just be enough for my I am. Looks like I am. I have to bottle like a quarter inch. Cause doing this with one hand is not easy. Not easy. And yeah, it won't enough. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be back while I get all this done. I'll be right back. After making products all day, you guys, I got 4 out of our hot cocoa, and I got 2 out of our peppermint. And this one is a huge disappointer because if I would have had so much of the product, I would have had more than just 2 for my top selling, but it's okay. I can't sell. When you guys are making products, you can't sell things like this. You can't sell them like low quantity. So this is the end of the video, y'all. I completed all my other stuff. The last thing I need to do is my body oil. And I mean, not my body oil, my body butters. And that's it, y'all. next time I know to buy a bigger boat of body cream. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up and go eat and chill for the rest of my reset Sunday, y'all. And y'all have a nice Sunday. Make sure y'all praise the Lord, you know, and give him his thanks for today. See y'all later. Bye.